This title intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 and above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Place template on the timeline. Here you can change title text. Title text scale and position can be changed from here. Here you can change title text color. You can change title font from here. Change tagline from here. Tagline font can be changed from here. Here you can change tagline color. Tagline scale and position can be changed from here. Here you can change tagline tracking amount. That's it. Thanks for watching.